Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice geometry problem which literally 90% of the people could not figure out. The question is the length of a rectangle is increased by 30%. The width of the rectangle is increased by 10%. By what percent will the total area of the rectangle be increased? Now whenever you have something like this, especially when the things are getting increased in terms of percentages, it is very easy to solve these kind of sums by assuming few details. So now let's understand what do you assume. So over here what we can say is let the old length be what 100. Similarly let the old breadth be what 100. So now I can say from here I can say the new length will be original length or old length plus 30% of old length. Correct? So this comes out to be 100 plus 30 upon 100 into 100. So I can say eventually this comes out to be 100 plus 30. New length comes out to be 130. Similarly, for your new breadth, what we will do is original breadth plus 10% of original breadth. So this comes out to be 100 plus 10 upon 100 into 100. So this gets cancelled. So I can say the new breadth comes out to be 110. So now please understand area of a rectangle is nothing but what? Length into breadth. So original area will be what? 100 into 100, that gets you 10,000. Right? And new area will be nothing but what? 130 into 110. That comes out to be 14300. Now please understand, what are they asking? They are asking you to find the percent with which the area of the rectangle will be increased. So now when you want to find the increased percent, that can always be found by change, the total change upon the original area into 100. So now change, that is nothing but what? 14,300 minus 10,000 upon 10,000 into 100. That comes out to be 4,300. The zeros are cancelling upon just 100. So I can say that comes out to be just 43%. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to everyone. Please understand this kind of logic will be applicable wherever there is an increase or decrease in percentage of any size. So I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.